Next stop, Pluto. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Wednesday, January the 20th, 2021. And of course, this update is brought to you by our friends and partners at Family Farms, trying to help farmers protect themselves from moves like happened this morning, with grains falling out of bed, but then returning and starting to move back towards, not positive, but coming closer and getting in better shape. We'll talk about it in a bit. In the meantime, the markets have been wild, and you're seeing, a run at the new highs once again. The Nasdaq's up almost 300, the Dow's up 200, the S&P's up about 45, and the Russell's up, not quite as strong, but we're seeing this consistent and constant buying and stepping into these markets, which is just telling you that the markets want to go higher. We are long across the board. That has not changed. Okay. And, again, it's a wonder. I mean, look, right now, the Fed put the money, the whole system says that they're not going to let these markets go down yet. So right now they continue to go higher, and we are going to be long until the trend changes. The metals have been, what a roller coaster. About 4 o'clock this morning, they tried to push through the high at 1860 in gold and then collapse down to about 1830, only to come back and then make new highs again. And now we're hovering up towards their new high, their highs, somewhere around the almost 1870. So, but in the meantime, silver, very similar action. We're still short gold, short silver, and still long platinum. All three are up across the board. Copper is, surprise, copper's up again, and we're still long. Nat gas is lower, and we are long. The dollar is higher, and we are long. And the crude oil is higher, and it's been churning, around, but it's holding up towards these upper levels. So, we'll see. Look, we don't tell the market what to do. We follow what the market wants to do. And again, it's always easier to push with the path of least resistance. Okay. And of course, the grains, as we talked about, they were getting clobbered early. Beans were down over 30 cents, and corn was down over 10, and all of a sudden, beans are down about 13, corn's down about 3, and beans are down a couple of pennies. So it's made a dramatic comeback, and who knows, maybe they'll end up in the day. But either way, again, we're long across the board. That has not changed. The trend looks beautiful, and pullbacks are natural. The meats are up across the board, and we are long fat cattle and long hogs and short feeder cattle. Look, we think the money's going to flow in, and as I've said before, the meat's set up very much like the grains did before they took off to the upside. The softs, cotton is higher, we're long. OJ, we reversed, is down, and we're now short. Coffee, we're long, which is getting hammered today. No more, I guess there's no coffee drinkers. And sugar is higher, which we're long. I don't know if they're putting their sugar in what, not coffee, I guess. And of course, cocoa is a little bit lower, and we're short. So again, we'll play it out, and as always, we'll watch and see what's going on. In the meantime, it must be Wednesday. It's the commodity report weekly comes out today, and if you have not participated in that yet or not signed up for the commodity report, you're making a big mistake. If you like commodities and you're a trader in there, it is the best report I've ever seen, and you tie it with our algorithms, it makes it unbeatable. And of course, it's called Technimental, written by our guy Andy Heck, the #1 author at Seeking Alpha, among other big accomplishments that he's had. You can check it out at BUBBATrading.com and go to Technimental. And of course, our other brokerage partner, which happens to be the CTG Group. And again, I do have other brokers, but CTG Group is for futures and commodities. They're the only licensed provider of our algorithms and letter of direction trading. Great customer service and some great new managed futures products. And of course, our equities and options broker. There's nothing like trade here. I mean, you get $10 a month commission. You get the best customer service in the industry. You get, if you to your choice, we're going to be automated, and you'll be able to auto trade your account if you choose to your specifications. And they're giving away free training. Once again, Saturday at noon Eastern, we've got our options session number 3. And of course, our high school program, Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. In the meantime, have a great day. Just be careful out there. It's going to be fun. It's going to be wild. And, we'll participate. And, of course, we'll get ready for our football games over the weekend. In the meantime, have a great day, everybody. We'll see you back here tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update.